I'm supposed to push on this with a hammer. I'm not exactly sure I understand what's going on. We have to, oh, he's trying to unscrew the chain plate.
There you go.
We have to measure it to have our chain plates replaced. Do I need to keep pushing?
So
We need to do the other one that's broken over on this side.
yep, we do.
So let's see.
And they're different diameters of bolts. So
That one's for the mizzen.
yep. This one is for the mizzen. It's gonna be a pain in the butt to get to as well.
Where is it? Oh,
Behind that thing in the very back corner.
behind the rope or behind the.
Can you see it?
Yeah. So what is that tube for?
That is the poop pump out tube. Aren't you glad that
We're
you
getting
figured
rid of
that
that.
out? We're getting rid of that. So, yeah. So I got to figure out how to get
And don't fall
a
off.
socket on there.
Don't fall off the side, okay? No.
Getting the screws out is the hard part because they're all caulked in with something to keep them from leaking, which they don't appear to be leaking, so it's doing a good job.
Hey, baby girl, where did you go?
I'm fishing with Gabe.
Oh, does it stop raining?
Yeah.
No, it's just wet.
Soaking. It's soaked out there, but Gabe told me to get going.
So what's going on?
I got to get a length for how long these bolts are. Hey,
Right there.
look at that, just like a gumball machine. Goes through the hole around and spits it out the end. I got to get a length of how long these bolts are for the chain plates to be made. Try to take it out, and it's a regular headed screw on the other end, and my impact driver is just starting to strip out and shatter and actually crack the stainless steel where that is. So I don't want to do that. I'm just going to tap it out most of the way and then I'll finish it. And that way I can put it back in after I measure how long it is until we get the new ones made. The new ones will be regular bolts anyway, so. So that's what I was doing to the screw with my screwdriver bit. And it's an impact driver and a cheap Ryobi drill set from Home Depot with the screwdriver. It was the biggest flat driver in there. Obviously it's not the right size for this. It was way smaller, but it actually started to crack the stainless steel. Now stainless steel, as it gets older, it gets actually stronger, but it becomes more brittle, so that's probably why it cracked and broke right there.
Probably original.
Yeah, I'm sure it's original. Yeah, it's probably 40 years old. Yep.
Alrighty. Hey, hey, hey.
Hi.
So
How are y'all?
we're not sure about the wind and the microphone on this, but we're gonna do it
You have
anyways.
your hand in front of it.
We'll
Right?
see.
And now you have your hand in front of the camera.
Camera.
But that's okay. I look better that way.
Right? Okay, so we are working on trying to replace the chain plates
Well,
because
we got to get them ordered.
well, right, but we're
Yeah.
working on replacing them because they're kind of old and it appears they're the original ones.
That's
And
right.
we have one that's broken.
This, you can see how it's broken right there. and also how elongated the hole is there. This one's a little bit elongated. This one's not too bad. And well, it's hard to tell on the camera, but
It's warped and twisted.
it's supposed to have a bend in it, but this is rounded. This is kind of like that. So it's really hard for me to know what this angle is. I got to measure what this angle of bend is, but it's hard to do that because there isn't any straight spots left on this thing, and I don't know how much it was bent from the hurricane.
Right, and as we've been doing this and trying to get the angle on them, we're finding that more than one of them has this problem.
I would say probably of the 10 plates, if we
12.
count these as 2 each, because they're welded together into one.
Well, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
These are welded together.
Oh, you're going to count them as one?
Well, they're welded together, that's what I said. If I count them as welded together, there's 10. If we count them as separate ones that have been welded together, there's 12. But of the 12, I would say that 9 of them are bent.
And the forestay is also twisted.
Forestay is also the roller furler on the forestay.
Well, the
support
the
mechanism
pieces
for
down
that
at the bottom.
is twisted, yes.
So that's what's going on with the
Chain plates.
and we're having a rigger give us a price. He does titanium, and he says it's not a lot more expensive, so we're going to look and get a price from him and look around and see what else there is out there and just kind of compare options.
Yep,
Okay,
gotta find out what's available and
make a decision.
make a decision. See you later.